Hello students, welcome back with a new lecture of class 8 chapter 2. We are in exercise 2.2 question number 7. Question number 7 says the sum of three consecutive multiples of 8 is 888. Find the multiples. Students, here there are three words which you must be paying attention. First thing is sum, that means addition of three consecutive I have already discussed in question number 6. Consecutive means the one which follows in succession, that is one after the other. And third word is multiples. Multiples means the table of what? 8. That is the number which is coming in 8's table, but they are in consecutive, that is one after the other, and their sum is 888. We know, students, that if I am going with the table 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, but 16 we write as 8 twos are 16 and 8 threes are 24. That means they are in multiples also and in succession, that is 8, 16 and 24. They are in 8's table and they are in successive manner, that is one after the other. Here we don't know what are those consecutive multiples of 8. But we know how to write consecutives, right? So we will write, let the three consecutive multiples of 8 be 8x, 8x plus 1 and 8x plus 2. Students, why I have wrote 8x, 8x plus 1 and 8x plus 2? You know very well, in previous question we have taken three consecutive numbers. Three consecutive numbers were x, x plus 1 and x plus 2. Here they are multiples of 8. So I have multiplied each of them with 8. See, if I am taking x as 1, so it will become 8 ones are 8. 1 plus 1, 2. So 8 twos are 16. 1 plus 3. 1 plus 2 is 3. 8 threes are 24. So they are in successive manner, they are in consecutive manner and also multiples of 8. Now what? Now they have told us according to question. Therefore, according to question, sum of three consecutive multiples, that is 8x, 8x plus 1, 8x plus 2 is equal to 888. Again, what they have told us? They told us sum of what? Three consecutive multiples. So we have taken three consecutive multiples, and which are they? 8x, 8x plus 1 and 8x plus 2 is 888. So I have written 888. Now what, students? Now you will open up the bracket, or if you don't want to open up the bracket, take the common from each of them. 8 here also and here also. Take common 8 and then plus do the take all of these in bracket. So let us take 8 as common from each of them. if 8 is coming out from this number, this term, inside it will left with x. Here also 8 is common from this number, so inside it will left with x plus 1, plus this 8 is also common from these 3, so inside it will left with x plus 2 is equal to 888. Now students, this 8 will go in division with 888, and this we will open up. X plus 1 plus x plus 2 is equal to 888 divided by 8. Therefore, x plus x plus x will give me 3x and plus 3. Now, if I divide this 888 with 8, I will get 1, 1, 1, that is 111, because 8 ones are 8 ones are and 8 ones are. Now students, 3x is equal to 111. This plus 3 will go that side and become minus 3. Therefore, 3x is equal to 108. Therefore, x is equal to 108 divided by 3. Now students, we are dividing 108 by 3. We will get answer as 3 3s are 9, 1 will carry up, and 3 6s are 18. Therefore, x is equal to 36. So, let us put in the prediction we have taken. Assumes that we have assumed 8x plus 1, 8 into x plus 1 and 8 into x plus 2. So, therefore, the 3 consecutive multiples of 8 are, first one is 8x is equal to 8 into 36. And what is 8 36 ja? 36 8 ja is 8 6 ja 48, 8 3 ja 24, and 4 288 is equal to 288. Second is 8x plus 1 is equal to 8 into 36 plus 1 is equal to 8 into 37 is equal to 296. Why? Because we have to just add 8 and 8, because it is the table of 8, multiples of 8, so it will be definitely 296. You can verify yourself also. And the third consecutive multiple will be 8 into x plus 2 is equal to 8 into 36 plus 2 is equal to 8 into 38, and it will be definitely 304. Now let us check if our answer is right with the hint they have given. 288 plus 296 plus 304. We will add them up. 8 plus 6 is 14, plus 4 18, 8 1 carry, 9 plus 1 is 10, plus 8 18, 8 1 carry, 3 plus 2 5 plus 2 7 plus 1 888. So what they have told us, that if you add them you will get 888, and our answer is 888. Students, if you don't want to solve like this, you don't want to take the common, you can also open up the bracket. Let us see. We will take this step. After this step, I am going down. I am taking the new way. It is up to you. You want to solve likewise or the first one. So it was 8x plus 8x plus 1 plus 8x plus 2 is equal to 888. Open the bracket. So you will get 8 into x is 8x plus 8 ones are 8 plus 8 into x is 8x plus 8 twos are 16 is equal to 888. Now 8x plus 8x plus 8x will give you 24x plus 8 and 16 will give you, addition of 8 and 16 will give you 24 is equal to 888. Take 24 that side, so it will minus from 888 and you will get the result as, therefore x is equal to, but let me first solve this. 888 minus 4 is 884 and minus 20 is 864. Now therefore x is equal to 864. This is in multiplication, it will go down and will divide. Now on division, you know 24 3s is 72. 86 minus 72 is 114 and this 4 144 and 24 6 is 144. Let me show you in rough. 864, 24 3s is 72 students. Let me show you that also. 3 4s are 12, 3 2s are 6 and 1 7. So 86 minus 72 is 14. This 4 will come down. So 24 into 6, 6 4s are 24, 6 2s are 12 and 2 14. So it is 144. So your answer will be 36. Again, therefore x is equal to 36. So you can solve either this way or the previous way which I have shown you. Both the way you will get x is equal to 36 and then you have to put it in these values which we have taken and you will get the answer. Students, hope you like this video and understood it properly. If not, go through it once more. We will meet with next question in future lecture. Till then, take care of yourself, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.